This has been the strongest, the first ever message directly coming in from the Prime Minister of India to the people of the country, as he is addressing not just to the people who are attending the rally in Bihar, he is addressing each and every citizen, each and every national of the country, and the message out there is clear. कि भारत की आत्मा, भारत soul that has been attacked, and this kind of a terror act will not go unfinished. He's been saying that India will hit not only the terrorists but their handlers, the mastermind, and that attack would be something that will go beyond their imagination. Their days are numbered, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We will crush them, we will crush their back, saying that India will identify, India will track, and India will punish each and every terrorist and will continue to pursue them till the end of the earth. He's also saying that India will not be broken. Terrorism will be finished from the face of the earth, and also saying that everyone who believes in humanity is with us. He's been thanking the leaders from the world as well who have come out and extended their support and standing in solidarity with India in its fight against terror. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first ever official statement that has now come after the Pahalgam terror attack. A moment of silence that has also been witnessed, but this is, Pranesh, the strongest ever message that is directly coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's not addressing only the Janta there in Bihar. He's addressing each and every Indian national. Pranesh.
You know, Amita, it's a message that goes beyond just the state where the Prime Minister was. Many people in the run-up to the PM's speech and his rally said that, look, this will be a political speech, a political rally. But he has removed all those doubts. The Prime Minister went all out to say that India will punish the terrorists and the terror patrons so bad that they can't even imagine. He used these words. He said the punishment will be unimaginable. The other important thing that the Prime Minister said, and this is extremely important, is that he said आतंकवादियों की जमीन को मिट्टी में मिला देंगे. Now this is not some ordinary metaphor. When he says आतंकवादियों की जमीन, there is a larger message that the Prime Minister is trying to send out, not just to Pakistan but to the entire world. We saw what happened last evening after the Cabinet Committee on Security met. There was a briefing after which 5 important steps were announced. One of that was the suspension of the Indus Water Treaty. Now all of us know how that is going to hurt Pakistan. Now there are already chatter in the diplomatic circles or on social media that Pakistan is also mulling to suspend the Simla agreement. Well, if the Pakistanis actually go ahead with that, it actually benefits India, because that is such a lopsided agreement of 1972 signed between Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and Indira Gandhi that it has been, holding back India from taking decisive steps against Pakistan. So the Prime Minister really underlining the intent of what his government plans to do. And at the cost of repeating myself, Amita, I want to, highlight that point once again. When the Prime Minister says, आतंकवादियों के मिट्टी को, के जमीन को मिट्टी में मिला देंगे, he does not just, use it as a metaphor. He will really walk the talk.
Absolutely. And he has given examples for the same. We have Mohit and Pragya also with us right now. Pragya, this is what is expected from a leader, because the entire country that has been reeling from the shock that what happened with the innocent tourists in Pahalgam, he too has felt it. And this is the kind of messaging that needs to be given from a leader of a country, saying saza milegi, saza milkar rahegi.
You're absolutely right, and people were waiting for this comment that has come from Prime Minister. In fact, Prime Minister has, he was supposed to go to Kanpur first, but he refused to do that program because there was also a victim in Kanpur. So out of respect, he said that I'll not go. But this is also a message, a very symbolic message from Prime Minister today, that on one hand, we are going to have a development scheme for every village, every nook and corner of the country. But on the other hand, people are looking at us to see what we will do when there is a terror attack on our soil. And this is exactly the message that Prime Minister was supposed to give from here, and that is the specific reason why this program was not postponed, unlike Kanpur's program. And Prime Minister has unequivocally said that not only the terrorists who had committed this crime, this terror dastardly attack, but also those are backers of it, and those who have schemed this will also be
आतंकवादियों की जमीन को मिट्टी में मिला देंगे. This is the straightforward, direct message that has come in from the Prime Minister of India, also in the same tone that he has thanked the leaders of the world who are today standing with India in its fight against terror. Let's listen in to the Prime Minister.
साथियों, 22 अप्रैल को जम्मू कश्मीर के पहलगाम में आतंकियों ने मासूम देशवासियों को जिस बेरहमी से मारा है, उससे पूरा देश व्यथित है. कोटि कोटि देशवासी दुखी हैं. सभी पीड़ित परिवारों के इस दुख में पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़ा है. जिन परिवारजनों का अभी इलाज चल रहा है, वे जल्द स्वस्थ हो, इसके लिए भी सरकार हर प्रयास कर रही है. साथियों, इस आतंकी हमले में किसी ने अपना बेटा खोया, किसी ने अपना भाई खोया, किसी ने अपना जीवन साथी खोया है. उनमें से कोई बांग्ला बोलता था, कोई कन्नड़ा बोलता था, कोई मराठी था, कोई ओडिया था, कोई गुजराती था, कोई यहां बिहार का लाल था. आज उन सभी की मृत्यु पर करगिल से कन्याकुमारी तक हमारा दुख एक जैसा है, हमारा आक्रोश एक जैसा है. ये हमला सिर्फ निहत्थे पर्यटकों पर नहीं हुआ है. देश के दुश्मनों ने भारत की आत्मा पर हमला करने का दुस्साहस किया है. मैं बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है, उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी. सजा मिलकर के रहेगी. अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है. 140 करोड़ भारतीयों की इच्छा शक्ति अब आतंकी आकाओं की कमर तोड़ कर रहेगी. फ्रेंड्स, टुडे from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in these times. साथियों, शांति और सुरक्षा ये तेज विकास की सबसे जरूरी शर्त है.
Pranish, this is the kind of resolve that one needs. Yes, India's Atma has been attacked, but there would be payback time.
You know, he says world leaders are with India. You know, I just want to draw the attention of our viewers. We also have two experts joining us, Amita. You know, you can speak to them after this. I won't take much time. But I just want to, you know, draw the attention to one comment in particular. One is this terrorist ke zameen ko mitti mein mila denge. And the other is that, viewers, when was the last time you heard the Prime Minister speak in English in Bihar? So people who thought that this was some, you know, election rally, election speech, political, you know, outreach, this was not. It was a message from the soil of Bihar to the entire world, which is why the Prime Minister at the end of his speech chose to speak in English so that the world understands India's intent. He just, you know, laid bare what India will do. And when the Prime Minister says something like this, you know there will be consequences. And it is not just Pakistan, Amita. Remember, it is the larger ecosystem that will have to pay for what they have done in Pahalgam.
Absolutely. And the apologists, the sympathizers, everyone needs to hear this, isn't it? As far as Mohit is also connected with us right now. Mohit, the sentiment, the outrage is the same across each and every national who has been praying for those who have been victims to this terror attack in Pahalgam. And this is the kind of resolve that one needs to hear, no less coming in from the leader of the state, that is Prime Minister Narendra Modi from the soil of Bihar.
Well, yes, in fact, and as Pranesh clearly stated, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he spoke in English, it was a direct message to the global community. Now, Amita, I have attended various rallies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He usually, when he addresses me in a public gathering, he doesn't speak.
You because we are getting our experts also to speak on this, what they make of the Prime Minister's resolve, what they make of the Prime Minister coming out to say that there would be badla, the attack would be avenged. Major General Sanjay Soy is also connected with us. What do you make, sir, of the Prime Minister's statement, the first ever statement coming post the Pahalgam terror attack?
Absolutely. It shows the pain. It shows the anguish. It shows that how hurt we are. I mean, we cannot accept the loss of life of 28 innocent people just because some country does not want peace and tranquility in Kashmir. Some country does not want that Kashmiris should live in peace. They should prosper. They should do well. Their children should do well. And 90% Kashmiris are with us. But this is a time to identify those small little percent of the people who are sympathizers, who have connived, who have made the plans, whether this side of border or on the other side of border. They need to be punished. We cannot accept this kind of violence. We cannot accept that Indian blood of Indian citizens would flow like this. We are there. My blood boils, and I am absolutely endorse the views of Prime Minister that anyone who is supporting the terrorists is also a terrorist. Because or anyone who is providing logistic support, motivating them, financially supporting them, they are also equal terrorists, and strict actions of by all means, kinetic, financial, social, all kinds of actions need to be taken. It cannot be just left like that. Absolutely. So they have to feel the pain, they have to pay the price for the loss of innocent lives, and we cannot let it go on.
And that is the
forever.
determination which the Prime Minister spoke with, because he's been saying that I'm not only speaking from the soil of Bihar. He's addressing each and every Indian national, because there may be tears in our eyes, but the outrage in our hearts, the anger in the hearts is coming out loud, and this is being echoed by the Prime Minister in Bihar, where he has also reached out to world leaders and thanked them for their support.
साथियों, 22 अप्रैल को जम्मू कश्मीर के पहलगाम में आतंकियों ने मासूम देशवासियों को जिस बेरहमी से मारा है, उससे पूरा देश व्यथित है। कोटि कोटि देशवासी दुखी हैं। सभी पीड़ित परिवारों के इस दुख में पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़ा है। जिन परिवारजनों का अभी इलाज चल रहा है, वे जल्द स्वस्थ हो, इसके लिए भी सरकार हर प्रयास कर रही है। साथियों, इस आतंकी हमले में किसी ने अपना बेटा खोया, किसी ने अपना भाई खोया, किसी ने अपना जीवन साथी खोया है। उनमें से कोई बांग्ला बोलता था, कोई कन्नड़ा बोलता था, कोई मराठी था, कोई ओडिया था, कोई गुजराती था, कोई यहां बिहार का लाल था। आज उन सभी की मृत्यु पर करगिल से कन्याकुमारी तक हमारा दुख एक जैसा है, हमारा आक्रोश एक जैसा है। ये हमला सिर्फ निहत्थे पर्यटकों पर नहीं हुआ है, देश के दुश्मनों ने भारत की आत्मा पर हमला करने का दुस्साहस किया है। मैं बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है, उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी। सजा मिलकर के रहेगी। अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है। 140 करोड़ भारतीयों की इच्छा शक्ति अब आतंकी आकाओं की कमर तोड़ कर रहेगी। फ्रेंड्स, टुडे from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in these times. साथियों, शांति और सुरक्षा ये तेज विकास की सबसे जरूरी शर्त है.
The first and the most powerful response coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi post the Pahalgam terror attack. We'll get you more on that. And of course, the experts have also been speaking about exactly what happens from here on, because the direct assurance that is coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki saza mil kar rahegi.